Welcome to Windy Gap Drive, where the open skies come alive. Sunlight pouring through the glass, rolling hills that never pass, vaulted ceiling space so wide, nature living right inside. Panoramic views breathing in, quiet moments, peaceful wind, lakeside mornings, golden lights, stars above you every night. Feel the calm, let it stay. Life moves slower out this way.
Hi, I'm Lenny Sharp, leader of the Sharp Mountain Homes team of eXp Realty. We're here in the communities just outside Yosemite National Park, and our specialty is helping short-term rental or Airbnb investors invest in our area and build their portfolio of high-performing, cash-flowing properties. So how do we help you? Well, there's a variety of ways, and we have many tools. We also have a 57-page investor guide, which gives you all the tips, tricks, and key findings, key information, valuable nuggets that will help you select the area and select the home that can generate maximum profitability. Our latest resource is our Yosemite STR Deal Finder. This is an app that we built on Base 44 based on AirDNA data. We literally licensed all the data for all the Airbnbs in the Yosemite area, and in fact the northern and southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and provide great investment opportunities for you, the investor. You'll see the listing down below. That's the homes.com listing with all the key information about the listing, as well as the photos, etc. Along with that, we're going to then take a tour of the property and give you those tips and tricks as we walk the property so you can make the very best investment decision possible. If you're thinking about an STR in our area, reach out to me or any of the members on my team. You can see our contact information on my website, sharpmountainhomes.com, and give us your information, download the investor guide, and use that as the foundation for your search. We look forward to meeting you, showing you properties, and starting you on your Yosemite area STR investing adventure. Thank you very much. We are at 42406 Windy Gap here in Ahwahnee. Ahwahnee is kind of in between Oakhurst and Mariposa, a little closer to Oakhurst than Mariposa. It's also in Madera County, so it's Madera County regulations that will apply. And so this is down a little hollow. It's actually not a bad location. And we've got the house here, and it looks like a detached garage up there, which could be used as a game room. And some decent landscaping. And what we've got here is what looks to be a converted garage, but this is a very nice space. So it's right now used as, looks like just kind of a family room with a kitchen and dining and bathroom and a bedroom. So that's awesome. This is a perfect unit to lock off. Oh, and there's laundry and wraps around to the kitchen. So perfect space to lock off into a separate unit. So that's awesome. And now we have the dining area, kitchen with granite counters, nice cabinets. The floor throughout is a luxury vinyl plank. This is an active Airbnb, but I will tell you they are underperforming, so we're going to dig into some of the reasons why. So we will have to have a strategy to lock that off, but that is going to definitely perform as a sub-listing. So nice living area. This room is set up for kids sleeping with 2 bunk beds with a configuration that I really like, which is the double down below and the single up top. So that is awesome as well. And now down here at this end, we have got, oh, let's go over here. The shared bath. Nice stand-up shower. Bedroom here. And a bedroom here with 2 twin beds. Beautiful. And then across the hall, we have the primary bedroom. Nice and roomy, king bed, ensuite bath, and another shower. So yeah, really nice layout, configuration, a bunch of listing options, and I think a solid choice. And what do we have here? We have a beautiful pool. So they've got a pool. The pool looks to be in great shape. And yeah, still not quite sure why they're not performing well. We will dig into that. This is the outdoor patio, covered nicely. Not super attractive with the fiberglass there, but functional and probably could be upgraded. And then you can see the HVAC unit looks newish, full solar. We're going to find out whether that is owned or leased. And then mostly tile roof throughout. So like I said, kind of down in a hollow, no particular views, but a very, very cool space, nice house, and I think could be an outstanding short-term rental if configured and managed correctly. So we're gonna dig into that and figure out how to make this one a winner.
STR Mountain Homes team, we ride.